Hello and welcome to another video. So here today we are going to download the platform together so we can get started with the trading. So we are here in our client cabinet of TradingCult.com, and I'm here in the download page in the menu, MT4 for Windows, and I just have to click in the download button here. It's already downloaded, so I click on the setup. Yes, I click here on next. That's it, the platform is downloaded. I click on finish. An MQL5 page is opened. You can have a look at it, but I will close it for now. And now the platform is open, so I will choose the Demo 2 account, MT4 Prime Demo 2, because this is the server of the challenge account. I click on next. Now I have to use an existing trade account, and I will go and take the login and password from my dashboard. So I entered my login and password. I will click on finish now. And now we can see that we are connected, but we can see here in the charts that it's saying waiting for updates simply because we need to change the instrument here. So let's go to the market watch. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, and I will right click here and I will click on show all. Then I will choose as an example euro dollar, and I will drag it here to replace it, because as you can see here it's missing the suffix .tc. That's the reason why. So if I replace, for example, here GBP USD, now AUD USD for example, and I will put gold here. Now as we can see, the chart are not yet set up, so in the following video I'm going to show you how I set up my chart before we get started with the trading. Until then, take care and see you soon for the next episode of the Trading Cult Challenge together. Bye bye.